Now the technique of meditation was quite simple. And it was what is, according to Yogananda, was a simple mathematical equation. And I know you're not too interested in mathematical equations, but I'm going to give you one anyhow, so that you know what he meant by meditation and the pathway to self-realization, the pathway to God consciousness. And it was this: when you meditate, how many factors are involved? When you meditate upon that cane, the cane is your object of meditation. You are the meditator, and there's the act of meditation. When these three objects, the meditator, the object of meditation, the act of meditation, are equal to one, perfect meditation ensues. And this is the purpose of meditation. This means that now, each and every one of you who are here, you are aware that I am here, you're aware of how I am dressed, you're aware of what the temperature is, you're aware of the people next to you, you're aware of the type of my voice. Maybe you have 20, 30 different things that you're aware of right now. This is nowhere near close to one. And this formula really is the meditator divided by the object of meditation times the act of meditation is equal to 1. And if you have 20 or 30 objects of meditations which you're aware of now, 1/20th is the power of your meditation. And this would be something really good. So what you do when you meditate, you focus your awareness on one thing and you keep it focused there until the number of objects of meditation are reduced from 20 to 19 to 18 to 15 to 16 to 17, continues to reduce, and your power of your meditation begins to increase and increase until eventually you become close to at-one-ment with the object of your meditation. This produces within your being a deep sense of peace, calmness. They call it the peace that goeth before all understanding. It produces you into a state where you begin to digest the knowledge that you have, and when digested knowledge becomes wisdom. And now you're beginning to move truly on the pathways towards self-realization. When you get down that there's very few things that you're aware of, maybe 5 or 6, a strange thing takes place. You are meditating upon this cane. You find, well, I am more important than this cane. This cane is a thing. And so you find yourself. Self-realization takes place and an inversion begins to function. The inversion indicates that you are a viewer and you are the viewed, but you don't know which one is which. And in this, the inversion takes place that you become the object of your meditation, and when this happens, it is like the viewer becomes viewed, the beholder becomes beheld, the lover becomes loved. I'm expressing the various chakras associated with the laws of self-conscious awareness, and the feeling is bliss, pure, unadulterated bliss, ever-changing, ever-new, ever more glorious bliss that pours through your whole being. And if you think dope and things of this sort has an avenue, you haven't tasted bliss yet. It is way above and beyond anything that dope can do. All dope can do is lead you into the illusions of the astral world, and you might think you're in a state of bliss. You're in a state of not bliss, but maybe some form of ecstasy. But it's nothing like the peace that goeth before all understanding. It's not the pool which is clear, wherein you can look and see reality as it really is, not as you dream it is. Remember, all of us think we are one thing. We pretend that we're something else to others, and we're really a third. But in the pool of bliss and the calmness of our self-realization, we see reality as it really is. We see us as we really truly are, not as we think we are, not as we pretend to be, but as we really truly are. And in this point, we're moving towards the very purpose of our existence.